Let me show you how you can create campaign on Facebook and start getting buyers leads for less than $5 per lead. Step number 1, go to Keeping Current Matters and download Buyer's Guide. This guide will be branded to you. Step number 2, go to your website and create a landing page where you can get buyers information from Facebook when you sending them this buyer's guide in return. So make sure you have this downloadable link for them to get the buyer's guide. Step number 3, make a post on your Facebook business page with compelling title. Second, download now and the link to your website. Down below, your explanation of what is this post about and why they should download it. Down below, use a picture of a family next to the house. They don't really need to see your face there. They better be envisioning themselves in the house with another offer to download it below. Last step, go to Business Ad Manager on Facebook and push this message to consumers with infant under 12 months old. If they just got the baby, most likely they shopping for a home and they have no experience with home buying process. They will be leaving you information for less than $5 per lead.